Hello, my dears, and welcome. Today, I invite you to leave your worries behind and step into a world where every moment feels like a gentle embrace. Close your eyes for a moment. Imagine yourself here, surrounded by the soothing sounds of the ocean and the soft glow of the morning sun. Feel the warm breeze caressing your skin, the delicate scent of frangipani drifting through the air, and the soft, powdery sand beneath your feet, grounding you in the present. Picture the golden sun warming your shoulders, while the distant beat of music rises from the heart of Bali, inviting you to dance, to celebrate, to simply be. This isn't just a place, it's a feeling, a state of mind that lingers long after you leave. Here, tranquility and joy blend seamlessly. The Bali vibe is real, a sense of peace and belonging that settles over you the moment you arrive, as if the island itself is welcoming you home. Worries melt away, replaced by the simple joys found in local smiles, daily offerings, and the breathtaking beauty of endless green landscapes. Here, spirituality and nature are woven together, creating a true paradise where every day feels sacred and every moment is a celebration of life. Every day is a gentle adventure. Temple bells echoing through the air, tropical birds soaring above palm trees, and the promise of discovery around every corner. Will you chase waterfalls hidden deep in the jungle, or wander through emerald rice paddies that stretch as far as the eye can see? The choice is yours, and here there's never any rush. Time in Bali flows differently, encouraging you to slow down, breathe deeply, and savor every precious moment as the sun sets over the horizon. So come with me. Let's explore this enchanting island together, hand in hand, heart to heart to heart. We'll wander famous beaches, discover secret corners tucked away from the crowds, and listen to the island's gentle rhythm guiding our every step. This isn't just a travel guide. It's an invitation to dream, to feel Bali's magic, and to let your spirit soar, wherever you are in the world. Let the calming music be our soundtrack as we step into this ultimate island escape, where every day is a new adventure waiting to unfold. The adventure is just beginning, and it promises to be marvelous, filled with wonder, laughter, and unforgettable memories. Are you ready to discover Bali's wonders? Let's begin this journey together and let the magic of Bali transform you. Bali's beaches each have their own unique personality, stretching along the coastline like a vibrant tapestry of sun, sand, and sea. Every stretch of shore offers something different, inviting you to discover your own favourite spot. Kuta Beach is lively and energetic, perfect for learning to surf and soaking up the fun. The waves here are gentle enough for beginners, and the beach buzzes with excitement from sunrise to sunset. Families play, friends gather, and vendors offer colourful sarongs and cool drinks. The air is filled with laughter, music, and the scent of the ocean, making it a true playground for all ages. Seminyak is chic and stylish. Imagine lounging at a beachfront bar, cocktail in hand, music blending with the waves. As the sun sets, the sky turns gold and pink, and the beach transforms into a social hub. It's the place to relax, people watch, and enjoy the finer side of beach life. Here, every moment feels like a scene from a postcard. Nusa Dua feels like a manicured garden by the sea, with calm turquoise waters and pristine sands. The atmosphere is peaceful, perfect for those seeking serenity and a touch of elegance. Here, luxury hotels maintain the beaches, creating a haven of tranquility and ultimate relaxation. Private cabanas and attentive service make every visit feel exclusive. Canggu is the bohemian heart. Rugged volcanic sands, a creative vibe, and a community of surfers, yogis, and digital nomads. It's a place where inspiration flows as freely as the ocean breeze. The waves here are for the experienced, and the atmosphere is free-spirited and modern. Adventurers and artists alike find their rhythm in Canggu's laid-back energy. Quirky cafes, vibrant street art, and a blend of tradition and innovation define Canggu. Every corner offers a new discovery, from artisan coffee to colourful murals. Each beach tells a different story, offering a unique slice of paradise. The diversity here means there's a perfect spot for every traveller's dream. Whether you seek excitement, luxury, or creativity, Bali's coastline has it all. The island's shores are a meeting place for people from every corner of the globe. The world gathers here, drawn by the island's irresistible charm. Cultures blend, friendships form, and memories are made beneath the Bali sun. Which beach will you choose for your own adventure? Bali's shores are waiting, ready to welcome you with open arms and endless possibilities. Let's dive in and explore. The journey continues, and every step brings a new adventure. Paradise is just a step away. Your Bali story begins now. Life in Bali moves to the rhythm of the sun, and sunsets are a daily celebration. As the sky blazes with orange and gold, people gather on the sand, sharing a moment of awe. The music from beachfront lounges is mellow, blending with the sound of the waves. It's a sensory experience, warmth, colour, and calm all at once. In these moments, you can simply be, letting go, feeling gratitude and soaking in serenity. Bali is a haven for yoga and meditation. Imagine greeting the day in an open-air shala, surrounded by jungle mist. Or take a quiet walk at dawn, the beach all to yourself. Mindful activities are at the heart of the Bali experience, reminding you to breathe and be present. Serenity is everywhere in a Balinese massage, a temple garden, or a cool rock pool. Bali invites you to relax, unwind, and reconnect with your peaceful self. Here, you find space to let go and simply enjoy the beauty of the moment. Sunsets and serenity, this is the soul of Bali. Let yourself be carried by its gentle rhythm. Beyond the famous beaches, Bali's true magic lies off the beaten path. Discover secret shores like Nyang Nyang, where you might have paradise all to yourself. The island's culture is captivating. Daily offerings, vibrant ceremonies, and hypnotic gamelan music reveal its spiritual heart. Explore charming villages like Sidemen or Munduk, where life moves gently and tradition thrives. Wander through clove and coffee plantations, watch artisans craft wood and silver, and feel the warmth of genuine smiles. These villages offer a glimpse of authentic Bali, far from the crowds. Venture to nearby islands like Nusa Lembongan, where clear waters and relaxed vibes await. Snorkel with manta rays or swing in a hammock above a blue lagoon. These hidden spots feel untouched, peaceful, and full of wonder. Discovering local traditions and secret places turns a holiday into a true adventure. Bali's hidden gems are waiting for you to explore. Let curiosity lead the way. Bali's beauty extends far beyond its famous beaches, inviting you to discover a world where nature and culture are deeply intertwined. The island's interior is a lush, vibrant world of green. Iconic rice terraces like Tigalalang cascade down hillsides, a breathtaking marvel shaped by both nature and centuries of tradition. Walk the narrow, winding paths among the paddies, breathe in the fresh, earthy air, and watch as local farmers tend to their fields with care and dedication, continuing age-old practices. Hidden waterfalls await deep in the jungle. Hike through dense tropical forests to discover powerful cascades like Teganungan or Sekumpul, where the sound of rushing water fills the air. Swim in cool, crystal-clear pools beneath the falls and feel truly alive, surrounded by the untouched wonders of Bali's wild heart. Bali's volcanic heart adds a sense of drama. Embark on a sunrise trek up Mount Batur, climbing in the early hours to reach the summit just as the first. Golden rays break over the caldera. The view from the top is unforgettable, a breathtaking panorama that rewards your adventurous spirit and fills you with awe. The island teems with life. Cheeky monkeys swing through the trees, colourful birds flit among the branches, and fragrant flowers bloom everywhere, painting the landscape with vibrant hues. Snorkel vibrant coral reefs teeming with marine life, wander through peaceful bamboo forests, or simply listen to the chorus of cicadas as dusk settles over the land. Bali's diverse ecosystem is a paradise for nature lovers, offering endless opportunities to explore, discover, and reconnect with the natural world. Here, you can truly disconnect from screens and daily distractions, immersing yourself in the healing power and tranquility of nature. The island's natural soul is alive in every moment, in every breath of fresh air. Let it inspire you to slow down, reflect, and appreciate the beauty around you. Bali is a living, breathing wonder, constantly changing and revealing new facets of its wild spirit. Come and feel its wild beauty for yourself. Let Bali's natural soul awaken something within you. Bali offers something for everyone: peace, adventure, and everything in between. Design your perfect day start with sunrise yoga, a tropical breakfast, and a quiet poolside read. Or seek thrills, surf at dawn, explore winding roads by scooter, leap into hidden waterfalls, and raft jungle rivers. Food lovers can visit bustling markets, take a Balinese cooking class, and feast on fresh seafood by the sea. Whether you crave solitude, romance, family fun, or wild adventure, Bali is your canvas. Picture yourself swimming in turquoise waters, hiking volcanoes, or simply letting the island guide you. The beauty of Bali is its versatility. Every day is yours to create. Close your eyes and imagine the sights, sounds, and feelings. That dream day is the essence of Bali. It's waiting for you. What will your perfect day look like? Possibilities are endless. Let Bali inspire your next adventure. I hope this journey through Bali has filled you with warmth and wonder. The island's sunsets, gentle people, and lush landscapes become part of your story. But this is just the beginning. There's a world of beauty waiting to be discovered. We're a community of dreamers and explorers, sharing stories and inspiration for incredible journeys. Join us to keep the spirit of adventure alive. Subscribe for more stories, videos, and travel dreams. Become part of a global family of travelers who share your passion. Let's keep exploring together, dreaming of paradise beaches and relaxing vibes. Thank you for escaping to Bali with me today. The world is a magnificent book. Let's turn the next page together. The adventure is always just beginning.